Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along on all of our projects, we're back up here on the 4,000 square foot custom home going in the Temecula wine country. So I got my window setters out here right now, setting all the windows. We want to get our combo inspection next, so we have to have all these windows set. But if you recall in a previous video, we couldn't set all the windows until we had this roof tile loaded up on the roof, because we need the weight of this tile to settle these trusses down so we don't have any damage to the windows when we place them. So right now the guys are here setting all the windows. There's about 38 or 40 of them, I believe, and they're going to get all those installed. You can see they got them going in right here and up above. They're working on them right now. So let's go on up and take a look. We'll see how window installation goes. Okay, you can see the guys put the flashing on the window. Flashing goes first. The bottom piece goes on before you put the side pieces on. Then the side pieces go over the bottom piece. Then they put sealant. You can see the sealant right here behind there, because we staple these windows on. We don't want water getting into where the staple is, so there's sealant behind there. You can see all of it right here. Then the top flashing goes on over that and goes over the window flange. Then when we do stucco, all the lathing goes over all of that. So if any water were to come down from the roof down, it would go over the top flashing, which is over the side flashing, which is over the bottom flashing. So we'll take a look over here. These guys are going to install this window. Okay, you can see they raised this up. They didn't staple it because the window flange has to go underneath it. He put sealant on the back side of the window. See the sealant right there? They're going to make sure that the window is nice and plumb and it's sitting in there nice and square. He's going to put the level. Okay, he's just making sure. He's making sure the gap is the same on each side and that the reveal is all the same. And while he holds it nice and level, he's going to secure it. And now what he'll do is he'll staple the flashing back over the top, so it covers the flange. So this is the proper way to install windows to prevent any kind of water intrusion. Okay. While he's nailing that, he's making sure that the window jamb is nice and level, nice and plumb. Now he'll put the flashing over the top of the window flange. Making sure there's no bow in the sides of the windows. So he's prying it inside while he nails it. That's it. That's proper window installation. Okay, so that's what's happening out here today. We're going to finish up getting these windows set in preparation for our combo inspection. My lathers are coming out on Thursday. They're going to start wrapping this house for stucco. I'm going to head down right now, check on my guys on the 20,000 square foot custom going down into wine country just down the road here. Then I've got to go over and check on another project that we're grading for a 6,000 square foot. And then we got to go start a demo. We're going to start demolition on an old house, an old barn for 9 custom homes. So a lot going on today. Hopefully you enjoyed the videos. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and join the channel. And hopefully you can learn something by watching these projects. That'll help you with your project. Have a great day.